Hey there, I'm Ann with Hot Mom Bod, and in this video I'm going to be going over entering food in your food diary in MyFitnessPal. To get to your food diary, tap Diary at the bottom left. Here you will see your calorie goal, how much food you've eaten, and how many calories you have left. To add more food, tap Add Food in the appropriate meal category. I'm going to walk you through a full sample day. Use the search bar to search for your food. You will have access to the entire MyFitnessPal database, so there will be lots of items to choose from. If nothing shows up in your search, you may be in a specific tab. Just select Search for All Foods. When entering a food, first type the brand name and then the item. For example, here I put in Nature's Own and then wheat bread. And when I get to cheese, I put in Kraft and then cheddar cheese. When possible, use your weight over your volume for non-liquid items. Like I put in an ounce of cheese instead of trying to do a quarter cup of cheese or something like that. Volume is fine for liquid items like coffee creamer. Be as specific as you can in your search and in your servings. I weigh my yogurt and my banana and enter the amount in grams. My granola says on the package that a half a cup is 50 grams, so I weigh out 50 grams. If you eat out, many restaurants have items in the MyFitnessPal database, especially chain restaurants. Often you can check the accuracy in the restaurant's webpage. You can see here that after the wrap, I only had 64 calories left. This was not enough calories for fries at Red Robin, so I skipped the fries. Instead, I treated myself to a few Hershey's dark chocolate kisses when I got home. This put me right at my calorie goal for the day.